Uma muthenya wa mwanya kuri Twalib Mbarak akenyuithio muma niguo kuyukio kuria wa kamiti ya EACC arita murugamiriri munene thutha wa ihinda ria harake wako gukorwo rikiinikiriria igongona riria rigwikinyitio ni mucirithania munene wa watho na atongoria ngiaria maroneka kugwatiria bara ya kuhukia ungumania.
I, Twalib Mbarak, having been appointed the Chief Executive Secretary to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission,
Twalib ni eranire kugariurana na cieko cia ungumania gutigirira aria maugumitie ni mari hathogora munene kumana na cieko cia wakiuga ungumania ni thu nene yothi wa na mbere wa bururi.
Corrupt persons thrive on volatility. They exploit it for personal gain, and I'm committed to make corruption a high-risk venture in this country. Kenya will be a very inhospitable place for people who are corrupt.
What we expect is for you to work and work faithfully as you have sworn to do this morning.
Mieri ino ikinyitwo baru ni munene wa watho kuria hinyiriirie ruhonge rwa ucirithania kunyitanira na honge ici kuhukia cieko cia ungumania. Maraga akiuga ni mareko uria magihota gutigirira macira maria makomete magoti-ini ni mahanyukio.
Pande ya judiciary pia mtusaidie na msaidie Kenyans kuhakikisha kamili hii makesi zinaendelea haraka ziishe.
There are challenges we have here and there. We have and we are addressing those challenges on our part. But to prosecute a case and prosecute it expeditiously, all the players have got to do their part.
Honge ici kuria ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa ucirithania, kamiti ya EACC, wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi na wabici ya DCI aricio akenya marorete iguru gutigirira utongoria urite na njira ya ngukumio ni wakorwo kimacokerera.
The Kenyans are very intelligent. You're not going to fool anybody. You are not going to fool anybody. They are going to see when we are engaged in a game of musical chairs.
The war against corruption can and will only be won when all of us work together.
I wish to assure Kenyans that our dream is still alive. I will not relent in raising awareness on the dangers of corruption.
Twalib agukorwo avicini no kwa ihinda ria miaka 6 wiro ria ayukia uriri bara ya ngukumio nyititio thinga na njira nene rungu rwa President Uhuru Kenyatta. Mwihoko wa Kenya ari matuku mokite ungumania ndukaigwe karingi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.